The family of 65-year-old Robert Wagner is doing everything they can to keep him alive.
We're several centimeters past what would be considered critical and requiring medical intervention. If he doesn't get something soon, that's going to rupture and he'll die within minutes.
Wagner left his home in Summerside, PEI on November 4th and was in Mexico for nearly 2 months before he called his son Rob, telling him he wasn't feeling well.
We booked him a flight for the next morning to come home. He collapsed at the gate, the Air Canada gate at the Puerto Vallarta Hospital, and they took him by ambulance to a private hospital here just outside the airport.
He says his father suffered an aortic aneurysm and needed immediate surgery. The only problem is Air Canada travel insurance had expired. It only covered his stay for 30 days.
That's unfortunate when situations like this come up because the impact is real.
The Travel Health Insurance Association of Canada says it's a cautionary tale for Canadians about the importance of getting medical coverage before traveling.
Very important to get that because the risk is so large for a medical emergency happening abroad, whether that's in the United States where we see some of the highest costs on the planet, or in places like Mexico, where what we've seen is very much close to healthcare costs similar to the United States.
Wagner's son says topping up his father's insurance is something they should have done in hindsight. He says the hospital in Puerto Vallarta told him surgery would cost over $100,000.
And then when we didn't get enough of it together, they would cancel the surgery or postpone it. And they kept doing this for about a week or so. We spoke to some outside medical professionals who suggested that we get out of that hospital.
Now that he's out, his family is arranging for an ambulance to transfer him to a different city in Mexico for surgery.
We're still trying to scratch up the funds required. We do have a GoFundMe that's going right now, and it's been great.
The family is hoping he will get the care he needs to make it back home. Vanessa Wright, CTV News, Halifax.